So some of these Zerks can be a little tricky to find if you've never located them before. So let me point them out and we'll see if we can find them all. So I have a roller bar up front. I don't know if the caster wheels have one or not. You may want to check there as a good place to start. I'm obviously looking at this from the front of the machine. So on the left hand side of the reel, you've got one located right there. If you come directly across to the right on the reel, you have one there. You can see it in there. I don't know if the sun is helping. If you come up to the clutch, on the reel clutch, you have one located there for the reel clutch, and there's one on the drive wheel clutch as well in there. You may have to take the chain guard cover off to get to that one. And coming around to the rear, just above the rear wheel, there's one here on this sprocket. So far that's 5. And if you come around to the rear of the machine, there is one here, and as well you may have to roll it a little bit. There's this one here on the rear wheel. Now, unlike the 27-inch model, I did not see one on the rear axle housing anywhere. However, I still counted 6, so there you go, guys. That's where they are. Now we'll go ahead and grease. Alright guys, so now that we located the Zerks, we've got the grease gun here. I just got this one off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. This one cost 20 bucks, and then I just ran up to the local Walmart and I got the green Lucas grease here. So I'm just going to load this up really quick and I'll show you how to grease the Zerk on the front. So just going to unscrew this here. Now pull the plunger or the leader back. Take this side off the grease here. Good looking. Put that in. That side. I'll open this in. Let's probably try not to get messy. Okay. This should go right back in here. Gonna go ahead and seat this here on this upper Zerk. I think this will be the easiest one to see. It kind of seats right there. You'll really feel it grab. I'm gonna give it a few pumps here. I'm gonna hold it a little bit to stabilize. Now I can see it coming out, so I know we're good. So that one's done, and I won't bore you with the rest of them. So just want to give a special thanks to sgrabs33 on the lawn forum for helping us out with the Zerk locations and how this process is done. Y'all give me a like, comment, share, subscribe, or give any thumbs down, cuss me out, whatever, and I'll see y'all in the next one.